Ever wondered how important candles have been throughout history and why they're still relevant today? From their humble beginnings as essential sources of light, long before the advent of electricity, candles have evolved into much more. Today, they're cherished for their ability to create ambiance, envelop rooms with delightful scents, and serve as unique decor pieces. The art of making candles has also seen a revival, becoming a popular hobby and a testament to the enduring appeal of the DIY movement. From ancient illumination to modern relaxation, candles have held a steadfast place in our lives. But how does one transform wax and wick into a glowing beacon of warmth and comfort, you may ask? Well, it all starts with the selection of the right wax and wick, the heart and soul of your candle. The variety of waxes available, from paraffin to soy, each offer their unique qualities. Then comes the melting of the wax. Here, the magic truly begins as the solid turns into a liquid, ready for transformation. The addition of color and scent gives your candle its personality, making it uniquely yours. Next, the wick is secured at the center of your chosen mold, and the melted wax is gently poured around it. Patience is key as you wait for the wax to set and harden. Using these basic techniques, you can craft various types of candles, like the elegant taper, the sturdy pillar, the devout votive, or the versatile container candle. With a handful of materials and a sprinkle of patience, you can create your very own candle. Now you might be wondering, why go through all the trouble of making your own candles? Well, the art of candle making provides a unique satisfaction that arises from crafting something with your own hands. It offers a way to personalize your home decor, infusing spaces with warmth that's uniquely you. Beyond this, it's a step towards self-sufficiency, reducing waste and ensuring a non-toxic environment in your home. Candle making offers not just a creative outlet, but a step towards a more sustainable and self-reliant lifestyle.